So how do we test it? It has different variations. In general, in the older times, we used to test with actual devices. We have like at least 2 or 3 Android devices, 2 or 3 iOS devices, and we compare our categories to see is it working in all devices, in all permutations. And then we got like Browser Stack and Sauce Labs kind of things, which allows us to do this compatibility testing in a cloud. Similar thing happened for performance as well. So in performance, the reason for why it is loading, right? The reason for why it is loading for a long time is because from the action perspective, it's very simple. A user clicks a button and that information sends to a server via HTTPS protocol, like from the database protocols, and then it stores that information into the database. When multiple people access the same time, access the endpoint, or access the server and database at the same time, this, I mean, the server itself, it by design, it has these options of pooling, what we call it as pooling. It's more like waiting for one transaction to complete so that next transaction can happen after the first transaction is completed. So these kind of systems, these kind of functionalities are inbuilt with the server side code or database code, which is makes the user's life much harder that it's loading for a long time. So this is what we test with simulating these actions. What if hundreds of people accessing the server at the same time?